Okay, so this wig is giving me natural hair vibes, 70s vibes, fresh roller set, perm rod set. I unrolled them, I pulled them apart. I got my pick and I went to picking and fluffing out these beautiful curls, and that's the look I'm getting right now. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm bringing you this gorgeous bouncy curly bob bang wig from Jessie Selection. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. Also, make sure you follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. Before we jump into this wig review, I want to give a huge thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. Thank you, Jessies. So y'all know Jessie Selection, right? I have worked with them many times on many wigs, and I'm bringing y'all another one. Today we're getting into this beautiful bouncy curly bang bob wig. Do you see her? She is gorgeous, and the best part about this unit is there is no lace, and it only takes 5 minutes or less to install this unit. And who doesn't like simple and convenient? All of the information as well as a direct link to this unit will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to use my discount code, which is LOVE12 for 12% off. Let's get into this wig review. So the wig comes in this beautiful black, white, and gold packaging. The packaging is so nice. You get a shopper bag and then the box that the wig is in. So the wig comes with a lot of free goodies. You get a pair of lashes, a wig cap, which comes in a pack of 2, a thank you card with how to care for your wig. On the bottom of the box, it shares with you how you can earn money with Jessie Selection. Okay, lovies, so I have the wig right here. I'm not gonna lie, it's giving really grandma vibes in this net. I'm very excited but also nervous because this wig is in 10 inches, so it's very short. It's a curly short wig with a bang, and look at this color. This color is in 1B30. The tips are the 30 and the rest of the hair is 1B, as you can see. So the color is very pretty. So let's get into the construction of this wig. This wig, like I said before, it doesn't have any lace. So it's all machine weft. So the wig comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 on the back. It also has adjustable straps so you can adjust the fit of your wig. And it also comes with an elastic band so the wig will fit snug on your head. So let's put her on and let's style her up. Let's see what these bouncy curls are talking about. Let's see what we're gonna look like, because for real, I'm nervous, y'all. Whew, let's go. Okay, so first impression, this we're giving Shirley Temple. We're giving what we don't want to give. This is the vibe we don't want to give. This is not giving the people life. We don't want this. But of course it has the potential. Straight out the box, it's a no-go. But I am going to take it off and give it a good shake. Let's see how it comes out with a good shake. So we're gonna shake her up. Now usually I wash my wigs before I put them on, but for this unit I felt like this was like a shake and go straight out the box. That's why I decided not to wash this unit, but usually I do wash my units. So she looks better. I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm just gonna finger comb it. I actually really like the color of this unit. Oh, I wish I had a pick. This is really cute. I like it already. So this is what she's giving with a good shake and finger combing. I like it. I actually really like it. Now I want to do more to it, so I think I'm going to get a comb or a brush or both and pick it out, comb it out more. But this is definitely a quick install because honestly, if you like her like this, like you're done. So this is a jump up and go type of wig. So I have a big tooth comb and a wig brush. So let's start with the big tooth comb, wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to work on the roots. Because I kind of like the curls. I want the curls to stay intact at the ends. So I'm going to pull it out at the root. And this unit reminds me of when I was natural and I used to do my hair in perm rods. Ugh, I love that look. That was my favorite look to do when I was natural. So it's giving me that and I'm loving it. So I'm reliving my natural day when I was natural Sharon. So she's cute. I don't know. I think I'm gonna comb her out some more. Do I want to comb her out more? I don't know. What do you guys think? Like this extra curly look, or should I comb it out even more? Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my wig brush. Let's comb it out a little. So I completely forgot. I actually created a similar look to this using flexi rods with my own relaxed hair. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. You'll love it. You'll learn great tips on how to achieve this style with your own hair. So one thing I can say, the hair is shedding. So that's one thing. But the hair is very soft, bouncy, curly. So I'm gonna get this look together and then I'll be back. So I decided to continue brushing out the entire wig. I wanted to just see what the hair could do and what it would look like if I brushed it all out. And then I discovered that you can actually create a cool flip look with this wig. So if you take your paddle brush and just brush it down and let your curl form upwards or backwards in a flip, you can create a cool flipped hairstyle that gives you that 70s feathered type of a look. So I really enjoyed that and I thought it was cool. If you style it right, you could definitely rock that out. So then I decided to go back to the bouncy curl, rose curl look with a bang. So all I did was fluff out my hair and I actually like how the curls look. I love how it's messy. I love how it has a lot of frizz. And actually to me, I like when curly hair has frizz, especially short curly hair. I think it makes the look very natural and just beautiful. We love volume. Curly short hair needs volume. So that's what that look was giving. But I decided to go ahead and take my finger and swirl the hair around my finger to define the curls more because I did have a lot of frizz. So actually I wish I stopped here. I wish I would have left my hair like this and just defined some of the extra frizzy ugly pieces that I didn't like, but kept it more wild, more frizzy. But I decided to go ahead and define the curls more throughout the hair and create pretty much the original curly bang look. But I absolutely absolutely love this hair. The great thing is you can style it how you want to style it. It's very versatile. Even though it's a curly wig with a bang, it is versatile depending on how you brush it and how you style this unit. So I love it. Super cute. Okay, lovies, so that is it. Can you believe how quick this install was? All you have to do is put your hair down and put on a wig. It's that simple. This unit is perfect for those who don't want to take forever styling their hair. If you're not comfortable with laying down your lace or going down your lace or tinting lace or bleaching knots, this wig is for you because you can install it in like 5 minutes and look bomb. Look at these curls. I am so in love with them. They are super bouncy, very soft. It's different, I'll say that. It's different from what I usually go or gravitate towards when I pick units, but I am in love with it. I'm giving you natural hair vibes, short and bouncy, curly, flirty hair, and I am in love with it. It's very 70s-ish. I mean, this would be perfect with off-the-shoulder top and some bell-bottom jeans and some platform heels, girl. Yes, the look is not complete unless you have a big pair of hoops. It's a package deal. Like, if you're gonna have this hair, you gotta have hoops. If you're gonna have hoops, you gotta have this hair. I mean, they just go. Is it just me? Okay, lovey, so the title of this wig is the Double Drawn Rose Curly Wig with Bangs. Fluffy, bouncy, curly wig. It's a bob and it's non-lace, machine made. That is the title of the wig. So this unit I have on today is in the color 1B30. I love the color. The color is beautiful. It's great for the summer. Like I said, I'm incorporating color into my hair looks. The wig also comes in 99J, which is a beautiful burgundy color, and it also comes in a natural black color. So this unit is in 10 inches. The texture is bouncy curly or a rose curl. As you can see, they are very springy, bouncy curls. If you pull it, it's gonna pop right back. It's a very soft texture, so the hair is very soft. So it's 100% Brazilian hair. You can also dye this hair. So let's talk about shedding. The hair did shed. As you saw, I was going in with the brush. I was brushing the hair very well, and I did get a lot of shedding. Tangles and knots, I mean, the brush did glide through the hair fairly easy when I was brushing out the hair. Didn't get any tangles and knots, but only time will tell with that. So let's get into the price of this unit. So this same exact unit that I'm wearing right now, the 1B30, is $129.99. But this unit also comes in different colors. So the 99J unit is $124.99, and the natural black color is $114.99. So the price varies depending on the color. I have no complaints about this wig. I love the wig. I feel like it's something different and unique that I haven't worn in a minute. So I'm excited to sport this out. So let me give you some quick styling tips with this unit. This unit, you don't have to do much to it. It's a grab and go wig. It's take it out of the box, shake it, give it a little brush, and put it on. When you brush it out, it gets a little frizzy and the curls aren't as defined. So to get that definition back, take the hair, twirl it around your finger and pull it tight, let it pop back into place, and you're good to go. So that's a great tip for any curly unit. Oh, also, I always like to give my hair a little shake. So you're gonna give the unit a shake, and also you wanna tilt your head forward and scrunch. So that's gonna give you volume, and also it's gonna make your curls, I don't know, it makes your curls springy. It just looks better, trust me. I don't even know how to explain it, and it's gonna make the world of a difference in your unit. Okay, lovies, so those are my thoughts of this beautiful, bouncy, curly, bob, bang wig by Jessie Selection. Once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check out Jessie Selection. I will have the direct link to this unit down in the description box below. Also, use my discount code LOVE12 for 12% off your order. In the comment section down below, let me know, are you feeling this curly bang bob wig on me? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends.